Hello guys, trade recap today, 550% profit. The trades I shared in the private list on the last 3 days was Opium, Spume protocol, BlockWallet, IDEX, ASD. Guys, the whole idea is we are looking for trades with high volume. Volume is confirmation. I will show you right now. But before, let's talk about Bitcoin. If you head into my Twitter account and you're gonna see I just put an update about Bitcoin right here. So right now we are in this phase right here, holding for this support of $27,000. In case we break up, we go hit to $37,000. In case you break down, we go bottom $16,000. Okay, this is my prediction for Bitcoin today. So trade recap, just mentioned, we don't buy and hold. That's the reason we don't care for Bitcoin. We buy before the pump and sell up high. Okay, like I mentioned before, we focus on trade running high volume because volume is confirmation. $55,000 just made. Let me show how this thing done on the charts, guys. Opium protocol, I believe. I have the volume spike right here on Sunday, April 22, and right here was just buyer power control the market. I shared this trade in the private list on April 25th. We bought this coin for 0.075 and put a sell order up here at 20 cents. Guys, 150% profit. I made $15,000. Like I just said, volume spike plus buyer power. That's what I'm tracking right now. Volume spike, buyer power. We only jump trades with buyer power above 70%, guys. Okay, guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. If you don't like to trade crypto, we can trade for you. We can provide you 25% ROI weekly, guys. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell the Bitcoin and the main cryptos like Shiba, Litecoin, Polkadot. We are tracking them 24/7. Okay, next trade pig recap, guys, is typical example what we do here every day. I got a volume spike right here on April 24. My software timed the move. You see the volume is crashing down. That means the sellers are getting out of the market. So I shared this trade in the private list on 25th. We bought this coin for 0.015 and put a sell order up here daily resistance, guys, at 0.035, 125% profit. I made $12,000, 500. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. With this software, I time the uptrend move and I share all my trades in the private list because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Trade with us, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Takes your time, have a blessed day.